Normal cells are like well-behaved children who follow the rules and know their place in the body. They grow, divide, and die off in an orderly fashion, helping to keep the body healthy and functioning properly. On the other hand, cancer cells grow and divide uncontrollably, forming tumors and wreaking havoc on nearby tissues and organs. They can also break away from their original site and spread to other parts of the body, causing even more trouble. While normal cells are a vital part of the body's functioning, cancer cells are a disruptive force that needs to be dealt with in a serious and effective way. How do cancer cell forms? Normally, cells in the body are programmed to grow, divide, and die off in a process called apoptosis. This helps to keep the body functioning properly and eliminates damaged or abnormal cells. However, when a cell's DNA is damaged, it can disrupt this process and cause the cell to become abnormal. Why do cancer cells form? Cancer forms when normal cells in the body undergo genetic mutations that cause them to grow and divide uncontrollably. These mutations can be caused by a variety of factors, including exposure to certain chemicals, radiation, or viruses, as well as inherited genetic predispositions. While there are many factors that can increase the risk of developing cancer, it is not always clear why cancer forms in some people and not in others. In many cases, it is likely due to a combination of factors, lifestyle factors, and environmental exposures. Cancer can also form when the body's natural defenses against abnormal cell growth and division, such as the immune system, are weakened or compromised. This can happen as a result of certain medical conditions, such as HIV or autoimmune disorders, or as a side effect of certain medications or treatment. While the exact causes of cancer may not always be clear, there are many things that people can do to reduce their risk of developing cancer, such as maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle, avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption, and getting regular cancer screenings. Various types of cancer cells. Cancer is a complex and diverse disease that can affect many different organs and tissues in the body. Cancer cells can also have different characteristics and behaviors depending on the type of cancer. Here are a few examples of different types of cancer cells. Breast cancer cells. Breast cancer cells can be classified into different subtypes based on the presence or absence of certain proteins on their surface. For example, some breast cancer cells may have receptors for estrogen or progesterone, while others may overexpress the HER2 protein. Lung cancer cells. Lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer death worldwide, and smoking is the primary cause of lung cancer. When tobacco smoke is inhaled, it contains harmful chemicals that can damage cells in the lungs and lead to cancer. Leukemia cells. Leukemia is a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow, where blood cells are produced. It occurs when abnormal white blood cells are produced and don't function properly. The symptoms of leukemia can include fatigue, frequent infections, easy bruising or bleeding, and weight loss. Melanoma cells. Melanoma is a type of skin cancer that develops from melanocytes, the cells that produce pigment in the skin. It often appears as a new or existing mole that changes in color, shape, or size. Other symptoms may include itching, bleeding, or a scaly appearance. Cancer detection involves various methods and techniques aimed at identifying the presence of abnormal cells or tumors in the body. While the specific approach may vary depending on the type and stage of cancer, there are common diagnostic tools and procedures used. Cancer is detected through various methods. Diagnostic tools include imaging techniques like X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and ultrasounds, which can identify abnormal masses or tumors.